Hi, I'm Wyatt from Wyatt's Fowl Company. Today I'll be showing you how to field dress a pheasant. And all you're going to need is a pheasant and a knife. Alright, so you're going to start off by getting down by the breast right here. You're going to lift up some skin somewhere around here on the kind of towards the middle of the breast. Okay, now you're going to lift up skin, grab your knife, and make a cut right there. You're gonna cut like halfway about there. You don't want to cut all the way through. Then after you cut it, you'll be able to stick your finger in it, the hole, and then start peeling it back, the skin back like this. You're gonna peel it back. So after you cut the hole, you're going to peel it back like this. And you're going to keep peeling it back until you can, about as far as you can peel it back until, you know, the bones, the wing bone, the leg bone, and the neck bone might be blocking it, or will be blocking it after you peel it back. So, you're gonna, first, you're gonna cut off the wings right here. So you're gonna have your wing, and you're gonna cut it right where you cut it down when it hits that, like, it's like a V, right here. And when you cut it down, you'll hit that bottom of the V, and you're gonna pop it up like that. And you're just going to stick your knife there in the middle of it. Cut it off. Then you can throw that away. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side right here. So you're going to just do the feet now, which you're going to be making little nicks, like right where these feathers of the foot and skin right here. You're just gonna make some nicks right here. Just make it nicks all around it like that. All the way around it. And then you're just gonna twist. Like that. Then after it breaks like that, right there, you're just gonna stick your knife right there. And you can cut down right in that right there. And then you cut that off, throw it away. Do the same thing on the other side right here. So you're gonna go over here and cut the head off like this. So you're gonna cut right in the middle of all those white feathers like this. And just cut down. And again, just pull it off like that. Side. Now, you'll just peel the skin back. Pull the head or the neck through like that. Then you're gonna do the same thing, like right here, feet. You're just gonna push it through this, then pull all the skin off like this. And you can pull it back. Top pops off like that. Then all the feathers are off of that. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm just gonna go peel back to the wings. You're just gonna pull back the skin like that until you get it off the wing. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side of the wing. Then you're just gonna pull back all this skin, pull back all around here. Keep on. There we go, like that. You have skin, and then the pheasant tail. You can cut that off. Set that up to the side. And then you're gonna you can go around to here, and then you'll just get right here by the back by the legs, and then where you can lift up the breast back here, and then you're gonna cut right at the very tip, right there with your knife. And this, you gut it, you can just pull out everything like that. Pull it out. So you're right. Then make sure you have everything out of it. Pull it all out. Everything, make sure you have everything out. Then after you get everything out in there, you're just gonna go over here and cut the neck really close right here, like that. And that's a little bit harder to cut, so you can use some kitchen shears or something to do that. So you just throw that away. And just that's all you have. Then you can just pull the from right here. You can go to the front and just double check that you got everything out. For like all the guts, you can also go from right here and get everything out. To make sure you have everything out of it there. So that's how you field dress a pheasant.